coming with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is code with Mav, and so we are going for lesson 6. So lesson 6, I prepared how to make tables. If I live preview and see the kind of table I created, yeah, so you can see I'm going to teach you how to make this table. So when we are going to make the table, in the style part, in the head, this is now internal styling. The table itself, the table headings and the table data, which are these, we say let them have a border of 2 pixels, solid black. You can see we can change any color you want. And now for border collapse, but now for that border collapse, I really don't get how it brings up something like this if you don't say collapse. But if you say collapse, then it brings up something like that. Padding 10 pixels. Padding is just the space between the word and the frames. Maybe you can say 1, you can say 15, any that you want. So when you come to the table, in the table tag, you see we put a style width 50%. You can change this width, maybe you say 20%. It's just according to how you want your table to look. You can say 100%. So first we create a table row, which is, you see that the highlighted part. Let me first I have forgotten to close in the code. So table row, that one you're seeing being highlighted on the document. Yes, we are going to create our first row having headings of table H is TH is heading of country and capital city, and then create another row which is going to have the data, which country, Uganda, what is its capital city, that's the next row, Kampala. Create another row, another country, its capital city, like that. So you can go on creating many tables, rows, many columns. It's all up to you how you want the table to look. Maybe you can add some style, like the background color to a table. You can select the background color be violet, you see, and then maybe select the color be let it be turquoise. You can see, yeah, you can just go on. Even the border itself, as I told you can change it. Maybe select it be blue violet or yellow green, any color. See, you can just keep on playing with it, and maybe you can remove the collapse if you want something like that. Yeah, it's now all up to you to go on playing with this, changing fonts, what, and so on. With that, maybe if we have a question from my assistant here, who is usually with me in the lessons, Yeah, for better understanding.
I have a question.
Mm.
Now, if you don't put this TD, can it be in lines here and here?
Okay, now that TD, it's now how you open a heading like TH. I mean, you open a heading like heading 1 and then you do not close it. It won't appear. You get? Now if I do this, okay, now just disturbs the program, but I see it's appearing rather, but all the tags that we create are supposed to be closed. So maybe it's coming because when you open the table data, it will come, it reads another table data coming, but you've not closed this. So if maybe, for example, you styled something in here, that style is going to persist because you did not close. So you have to always close the tags that are supposed to be closed. Maybe another question.
Yes. How can you make them be in this one right, this one right, left?
So as I said, you create a table row, and then that row is this. When you open TR, that row is this, the first one here. So now what is in your table row? You can put a heading of country, put a heading of capital, you can add another heading, according to you, so you can see I've created another part out here. So it's all about you. You're the one who creates the what? You're the one who tells it that I want this to be here, I want this to be here. So maybe another question?
Yes. Here, I've not understood what you're saying. Does it know that here, does it know that this is a country, this is capital city?
No.
If you put Kampala here in the space of Uganda, is Kampala coming here in
yes.
Uganda?
Yeah, it will come there. It's now up to you. You're the one to program what you want your things to look. If I put Uganda here, it will come here. If I put Kampala here, it will come here. So for you, according to your table, it will say that the capital city of Kampala is Uganda.
Now, how does it know that down it means capital city, up it means the country?
It is up to you. I created my first heading as country. That means every first data is going to go under country. Remember, we are creating a row. You create Uganda, Kampala, country Uganda, capital city Kampala. So changing, speak, country, capital city.
I was saying you can even change, you put capital city here.
Yeah, it's
country
okay.
here.
It's you. You're the one making the thing. So I was still telling you, you create a row. That means when you come to create another row, the order you follow. So I said that the country will be first, so it will be first in another row. Even in another row, it will be first. Even in another row, the country will be first. And then I said the capital city will be second. That means even in another row, the capital city will be second. Another row, the capital city will be second. That means if I put the capital city here and the country here, in my other row, I'll put the capital city first and then the country last. Capital city first, country last. You get?
Yes. That's all.
So with this, thank you for viewing.